Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix this issue when you got no service information on your Realme 14 Pro. So in the most cases, when you get this new information, you may be in a basement or, for example, the dead zone in a building. So we can try to move to another area to restore signal. There's also a chance that your location is not covered by the network. So you may check with your network service provider to supply network service to the area. But if it is not working, then let me show you some few additional tips. First of all, I will start by restarting your phone. A simple reboot can resolve network issues, so you have to click and hold power key and slide to restart and release. You can also try to toggle airplane mode. So you will have to go into settings and be sure that you switch off airplane mode. You can also check if your SIM card is correctly inserted. So you have to remove and reinsert it properly. Or for example, you can try another SIM to test. You can also select network manually. So we can go to the settings. Now you have to go into mobile network. And when you are here, just select your SIM card. And here, select your, network type. So simply switch from 5G into LTE, for example, and the 3G. If it is still not working, then you can try to select manually your carrier. So after a few moments, you should get the list of available networks, and then you can manually select them. You can also try to perform a reset of all network settings. So scroll all the way down. You have to select System and Update, go to Backup and Reset, and select Reset Phone. Then select Reset Network Settings, input your screen password, and click on that reset icon. If it is still not working, then you can also try to perform an update of your phone. So go into Software Update and be sure that you have the latest version of software. So as you can see in my case, I have to actually update into 6.0. But if it is not working, then you have to definitely contact to your carrier. This is all tips that I can give you.